We've reached the final part of our Malé walking tour. Today, we explore the modern edge of this island capital, where urban innovation meets the vast Indian Ocean. Heading to the eastern side of the island, the city opens up to the sea, offering a refreshing contrast to the dense inner streets. Welcome to the artificial beach. This engineering marvel was created to provide a recreational space for locals, as Malé lacks natural beaches. It's a popular social hub, especially in the late afternoons when families gather to swim, play, and enjoy the sea breeze. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just next to the beach is Varunula Ral Hugandu, the city's premier surfing spot, where the waves are consistently impressive. Surfing is a way of life here. You'll see skilled local surfers carving through the breaks, showcasing the vibrant sports culture of the Maldives. The energy here is youthful and dynamic, reflecting a city that is constantly evolving and embracing new ways to play. Further south along the coast stands the Tsunami Monument. This iconic structure is more than just architecture, it's a symbol of resilience. The 20 steel spheres represent the 20 atolls of the Maldives, honoring those who lost their lives in the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. It serves as a somber reminder of a day that changed the nation forever and the strength of the Maldivian people in the face of tragedy. This area also showcases Malay's modern development, with new infrastructure and sleek designs transforming the southern tip of the island. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. Stretching out from the coast is the China-Maldives Friendship Bridge, a landmark project that has revolutionized transport in the region. It physically connects the capital to the airport and the new island city of Malé, bridging the gap between tradition and modern convenience. The bridge has become a vital artery for the nation, enabling smoother trade and travel for thousands of people every day. Looking back at the city, the skyline is a forest of modern towers, reflecting the ambition and growth of this small island nation. Even among the concrete, there are spaces for quiet reflection and community, where the modern world meets the timeless rhythm of the sea. As we finish our walk along the coast, we see a city that is proud of its past, but focused firmly on its future. Malé is a city of contrasts, ancient coral mosques standing beside modern steel monuments, all within a few square kilometers. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the capital of the Maldives, from its historical soul to its modern spirit. Thank you for joining us on this journey through Malé. There is so much more to discover in these beautiful islands. Until next time, keep exploring and uncovering the hidden gems of the world. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.